What is going on, guys? It's Sabo here, and that doesn't sound right, does it? I can't make So yeah, basically guys, I've changed my name, and the reason, I don't really know what the actual reason is, just that I needed to change my name because I was just kind of getting bored with it, you know, as you do. So basically, look who we got here. Red. Basically, this is a vlog, so basically the update thing that I've just done now. Nice. So yeah, basically guys, that's the reason. Nothing else is literally changing. It's going to be exactly the same as it is. But yeah, let's just get on with the vlog. Guys, it's probably 11:15. I'm not actually too sure what we're going to be doing today. But obviously Red is here, and we're going to go record some stuff. Might go Woollet Park or something. I don't know. Maybe not. Basically guys, we're out now and we're on Tim Bridge, which is basically this bridge. There's a train track. There's a train track down there. And basically, we're gonna go Woollet Park, and there's some abandoned. I don't know if it counts as abandoned. It's just like some old building. Like, I don't think anyone's ever really lived in it because I don't really know what it is. But we're gonna go check that out. So I'm gonna go have a look at that in a minute. And yeah. Oh, the major update really that we have to talk about. Bought brain liquor. I don't even know why. It's just cool. We're at the legendary Woollet Park. We're about to go into the place. It's literally just over this wall, like one of these walls here. So yeah, we're just gonna climb over, and I'll talk to you when we're actually over there, because obviously I can't record me climbing over a wall.
I'm gonna record climbing over a wall.
How are you gonna do that?
That, mate.
You're just gonna hold it climbing over that wall?
No, I'm gonna pass it to you.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna climb.
You could like record me like going over it. My trim looks dead now, it's been in the wind now.
Yeah, you look dead.
This looks like a hedge.
Climbing that wall right there. What are you doing, mate? Oh. What are you? Yeah. Alright, trying to climb over stuff while we're recording with 2 cameras. For where? Hello. Oh, he's gone. Oh. Yeah, your camera, mate.
Yo.
In wreck it right now, actually, so through the fence.
Guys, we're here. There's no one here, luckily. I don't think the gardener will be here because it looks like it's been cut recently. So the gardener shouldn't be here. Basically, last time, well, apparently my friends came before and there was like a gardener here. So yeah, something like that. So yeah.
Alright guys, so we're here.
Guys, this is the bit. Well, it's in here, but there's another bit like, I don't know where it is. I think it's that way. So we're gonna have to cut through this bit. So yeah, we're ready.
Let's do this.
We're in. Alright, let's go. Alright, gotta be careful.
Alright guys, the camera won't be on me.
Like, don't touch anything because this actually looks so unstable. Like, if this falls now, we're absolutely screwed.
Have you been in here before?
Yeah. But they punched the walls in. It was like full on punching the wall. Well, I'm covering my mouth.
Mom, don't kill me.
Oh, it's really dark in here, it's hard to see.
Yeah, there's nothing in here.
There's not really anything in here, but
Let's go.
it looks pretty creepy.
I'm also creeped out.
There's like, you can go to the other side.
So dark.
Yeah, I might just stand at the doorway, you know. I know the seats, like, I was there last time. Oh god, I nearly fell into that. Yeah, I know, it's actually, I don't want to go. What? No, why is it? That looks like it's been there for about 40 years.
I mean, what's the point in the chair being there? Alright, so this place apparently,
Alright, where are we going?
I mean, this place looks a bit better, I guess. More open, a bit more light, so it's not as scary. You know, let's do it.
Right, we're gonna... Hello? If there's anyone there, just shout and we'll leave. Alright, that's cool.
I mean, there's another door down there.
Yeah, this leads to it, I think.
Oh, that little black bit there. That's the door.
Oh my god, this looks so unstable, it's unreal. There's about 20 chairs in here.
Wait, this might be the place.
That over there, guys, just looks like it's all just fell in the roof.
Look at all this.
I don't...
Okay. Looks like this was like an attic then. Could have been where people sleep. No.
It's literally, it sounds like... It sounds repetitive, like a ringtone or something. No, I'm going.
Should we go? Do you want to go there?
I don't know, I just heard something move. The thing is, it's only just started, like now. To go, wait, that's not noise, isn't right. I don't want to go in there, to be honest. I'm kind of scared still. Basically, it was a lot better than the last abandoned video. Like, we've actually explored. So I think we're going now.
Okay. Record inception.